Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve y is equals to x plus 3 and y is equals to x square plus 5x minus 2 and we have to find the value of x and y. So let's start with the today's video solution. So as we know that both equations are equals to y, that means both are equals to each other as well. So x square plus 5x minus 2 is equals to x plus 3. So x square plus 5x minus 2 minus x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x square plus 5x minus x is plus 4x minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 is equals to 0. Now it's look like a quadratic equation. So we are going to do a middle term split. So 4x we can write it as 5x minus 5 is equals to 0. So I can take x as common. So x plus 5. And if I'll take negative 1 as common, so x plus 5. Now x plus 5 is common, so x minus 1. So either x plus 5 is equals to 0 or x minus 1 is equals to 0. From this, the value of x is negative 5 and from this, the value of x is positive 1. Now, this is our equation first. So y is equals to x plus 3 when x is equals to negative 5. So y is equals to negative 5 plus 3. So y is equals to negative 2. So y is equals to x plus 3 when x is positive 1. So y is equals to 1 plus 3, which is 4. So the value of x is negative 5. So y is negative 2 and x is positive 1. So y is 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel.